Step into the 2012 Chrysler Town & Country. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chrysler infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, removable floor console, and air conditioning. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, brake assist, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.